the larger interest of J&K has been well addressed after the 370 removal, Article 370 removal. I'll specifically address the issues related to the budget and the budgetary proposals because a lot of honorable members have raised the question, particularly starting with Sri Manish Tiwari asking about employment, what is happening in J&K, is employment improving or not? Very quickly, I'll give you the figures and get into specifics, sir. As per CMIE, that which monitors the Indian economy, in January alone, February, at the end of February, from some time years ago, where it was 22% unemployment rate has come down to 13.2%. I'll just quickly tell you, in 2016, it was 20%. In 2017, it was 13%. In 2018, it came down to 12. 2019, it went up slightly to 16. And 2020, it reached 14%. And in 2021, as a whole, it had come down to 15, but further came down at the end of February to 13.2%. So this is not something which can go unnoticed, that the number of unemployed was far higher than what it is today. Sir, no. Sir, I'll give you some of the figures which will be important to understand the levels of newer employments which are being created. In the last 1.5 years, sir, 11,000 appointments have been made in various government departments in a fair and transparent manner. I'll let you know later as to why I need to add this line, fair and transparent manner, here. Second, sir, children from disadvantaged and poorer sections have secured jobs on the basis of merit and turning their dreams into reality, and that is one thing which has to be noticed in this recruitment process being transparent. That's the benefit which has reached people from disadvantaged sections. 20,323 additional posts at various levels have been identified and referred to the J&K Service Selection Board for the recruitment. The process already has commenced. Besides this, 1,850 appointments have been made in J&K Bank alone at various levels in a fair and transparent manner. Again, as many as 137,870 youth have been provided assistance in their entrepreneurial ventures under various self-employment schemes and programs. This is simply only on employment opportunities in J&K. We also have heard a lot of honorable members rightly say, unless tourism improves and people start going to J&K, it will not create opportunities for greater employment, because after all, J&K is very well known for tourism. And I was glad to hear a lot of honorable members who have visited J&K post 370 being removed and have seen what is prevailing there on their own. I would like to say, sir, the highest ever tourist footfall of 50 lakhs, 33,966 is recorded. That many number of tourists visited J&K in October 2021 to January 2022. So just before the onset of that Chillan Kalan, as you call in J&K, between October and January 2022, this is the number, 50,33,966 are the tourists who have reached J&K. During December 2021 alone, and I'm talking of Valley specifically, not Jammu, there could be pilgrim tourists. No, just the Valley. 1.43 lakh tourists visited the Valley alone. And that's the highest in the last 7 years.